Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding none other than Pepe. We're going to be doing our daily analysis on the price of Pepe, see what is happening and where we could see the price of Pepe going in the immediate short term, especially as we do approach this upcoming weekend ahead of us. As always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So as of June 28th, 2023, you guys can see the price of Pepe is currently sitting at 152. There's about 5 zeros in front of the price. We are down about 6.5% over the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also down 5% in Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative over the last 24 hours. Looking at its market cap, on the other hand, it's currently sitting at $640 million, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $123.8 million. So what really is next? Before we jump into the price, I just wanted to share this with you guys. So of course, Gemini, one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges, came out and announced about 5 hours ago that they are listing Pepe on their derivatives. And if you guys are a follower on my channel, you guys know that I'm not a big fan of derivatives at all, and I want my viewers, because I care about you guys are family to me, I want you guys to stay away from futures trading. Do not fall for people saying, oh, you can make money when the market is going up or down. It is true to an extent, but at the same time, this is where manipulation really occurs 99% of the time. And from what I've heard, from what I've done myself, again, listen, I've done it myself. I've lost thousands and thousands of dollars, and I don't want the same mistake that I've made my viewers to make. I know a lot of new money's coming into the space. Trust me on this. Stay away from futures trading. If you guys are purchasing cryptocurrency, just buy it on spot and just hodl. You do not want to be leverage trading, because obviously this does bring in more volume, but also brings in more manipulation. As Pepe gets listed on more and more derivatives exchanges, you do realize that this is going to bring, of course, more volume, but obviously there's cons to it too, which is that, this will create more manipulation. But, this was worth noting. But now if we're looking at the holder count, the price is down about 6%, but look at the holder count. Goes back to what we've been talking about over the past weeks now, literally 2 to 3 weeks now. 125,335 holders, increasing no matter what. New day, new all-time high in terms of the holder count, and this really paints us a great picture as to what really is happening and what the sentiment really is for Pepe. And I am not shocked whatsoever when I do look at that. But now let's shift our focus towards the price, really see what is happening with the price and what I can expect as we do go further into this week, as I've said earlier. So $635.6 million in market cap. But now look at this, once again, guys, literally once again, we got supported by this level of support. So before we even start talking about the charts, I'm sure you guys are aware at this point that these lines that are drawn around the charts are not just some random lines that I'm drawing. These are actually strong, huge levels of support, and I'm sure a lot of people can get that by now, because this was literally the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9th time since breaking out. This was the 9th time we got supported by this level of support. So great to see. We did see a pullback of about, since yesterday, we've seen a pullback of roughly about 7.3%, and that's mainly because Bitcoin is, fluctuating. Obviously manipulation. If you watch my ladies update, you guys know I discussed that, there's manipulation occurring. This is a clear indication that shorts and longs are being liquidated, and there's big whales that are trying to do that. And, that's a clear sign right in front of us. Obviously BTC dominance increasing like crazy. So if Bitcoin even goes down a little bit, which it has done about like 2-3% pullback, not even, I'm sorry, not even a 2-3% pullback. Come on, what am I saying here? Let me see. It was a pullback of about a 1.2%, so we were close. But obviously this will affect the price of Pepe along with the other cryptocurrency projects to go down faster, and that is no secret at this point. But the way Pepe is holding after breaking out, after having this crazy breaking move where literally all the news article, everyone was talking about Pepe, I'm really impressed, to say the least, that we have held really strong around that support line. So that's a great thing to see. But now comes the question, could we possibly break below it? I've told you guys this before. If Bitcoin goes below $30,000, obviously, that is going to trigger Pepe to obviously lose this support line. It's not going to hold on if, Bitcoin were to lose, go below $30,000 because dominance is really high. So this could put us all the way down to this 1.411 cents mark, or potentially even this 1.332 cents mark. Those are the next support lines I would be looking at, which is a move of about roughly, you could say 11.84%. But like I said, that would mean a move of Bitcoin to go down about 5 to 6% in order for us to see that happen. But would that worry me? Absolutely not, because the trend has been set. I've said this to you guys before. The trend has been set, and the amount of new money that's coming into the space, the amount of new money that's interested in Pepe, it's no secret at this point, and everyone is saying that this is going to be the Shiba Inu killer. And I've said that from the beginning, literally around this range. And I think it's going to do that. It's obviously not going to happen overnight. It's going to be a step-by-step process. But once we crack past $1 billion market cap, that is going to be a huge catalyst to bring in more eyes on Pepe than ever. So things are looking great as of now. One thing I can say is let's monitor the price of Bitcoin very closely. If Bitcoin drops below $30,000, or sees maybe even 28K, which some analysts are saying could happen. If that were to happen, do not be shocked if the price of Pepe were to fall down about 11 to 15%. That is quite normal in my opinion. Remember, even right now, after seeing a retracement from its monthly high, we've seen a retracement of about, of course, 15%, which is really good. Despite that, if you picked it up on June 15th, you're still up 80%, which is huge. 80% gain is massive still. So things are looking great, to say the least. Obviously, we're going to be analyzing the charts day by day. If anything were to happen, if anything urgent were to happen, I will keep you guys updated, of course. But other than that, I think I will see you guys tomorrow on the channel for our daily update. But let me know if you guys want me to make other types of videos on other projects. If you have a certain project you want me to cover, let me know in the comment section. And if you have not subscribed already, what are you guys waiting for? Hit that red subscribe button and come join the Crypto ZX army, and also follow me on Twitter, link in the description box below. Thank you so much once again for coming and hanging out with me, and spending your time with me, like your precious time, because everyone is busy. So I appreciate each and every one of you guys, and obviously all the people that are showing so much love. I just want to say I read every single person's comments, and it means a lot. Thank you so much. I will see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.